Have you ever imagined a company solving a million-dollar problem? Not with one supercomputer, not with one genius CEO, but with 1,000 tiny eyes working together like a digital ant colony. Sounds futuristic, right? But this is already happening. Right now, businesses are quietly moving away from the idea of one giant AI doing everything. Instead, they're building armies of specialized micro-AIs, tiny intelligent systems designed to handle one task exceptionally well. And together, these systems are saving companies millions of dollars, reducing human error, preventing disasters, and even making decisions faster than entire corporate departments. What's crazy is that most people still think AI means a chatbot that writes emails or answers questions. But behind the scenes, a completely different revolution is unfolding. And in today's video, we're diving deep into how 1,000 micro-AIs came together to solve a million-dollar business problem that humans had struggled with for years, and why this could completely change the future of work, business, and maybe even society itself. Let's begin. Picture a massive global shipping company. Thousands of trucks, hundreds of warehouses, millions of packages moving across cities every single day. At first glance, everything looks efficient. Deliveries are happening, drivers are moving, warehouses are active. But underneath the surface, the company is bleeding money. Packages are arriving late. Fuel costs are skyrocketing. Warehouses are overstocked in some regions and empty in others. Drivers are wasting hours stuck in inefficient routes. Customer complaints are exploding. And every tiny inefficiency compounds into something enormous. A 5-minute delay here. A wrong inventory estimate there. A truck that leaves half empty. A route chosen based on outdated traffic data. Individually, these problems seem small. But together? They were costing the company over $1 million every single month. Now traditionally, businesses tried solving problems like this using large centralized software systems. One giant AI model would analyze everything at once: traffic, weather, inventory, customer demand, delivery schedules, fuel usage, staffing, logistics. But there was a major issue. The bigger the system became, the slower and more complicated it got. Imagine asking one person to simultaneously control every traffic signal in an entire country while also managing airports, grocery stores, and delivery trucks. That's basically what these massive AI systems were trying to do. And eventually, they hit a wall. The company needed something faster, smarter, more adaptive, more decentralized. That's when engineers introduced a radical idea. Instead of building one enormous AI brain, what if they built 1,000 tiny ones? Each micro-AI would focus on only one specific task. One AI would predict traffic flow in a single district. Another would monitor fuel consumption patterns. Another would forecast warehouse demand for only one category of products. Another would analyze weather disruptions. Another would detect delays before they happened. Another would optimize loading efficiency inside delivery trucks. Tiny responsibilities. Tiny decisions. Tiny calculations. But together? An incredibly intelligent network. Think about how ants work. One ant alone isn't very impressive. But thousands of ants coordinating together can build colonies, find food, defend territory, and adapt to threats with astonishing efficiency. That's exactly how micro-AI systems operate. And here's where things became fascinating. The company didn't just deploy a few eyes. They deployed hundreds. Then thousands. Each one communicating with others in real time. For example, imagine a rainstorm suddenly appearing in one city. A weather micro-AI detects it instantly. It alerts route optimization eyes. Those eyes reroute delivery trucks. Fuel efficiency eyes adjust speed recommendations. Warehouse eyes prepare for delayed arrivals. Customer service eyes automatically update customers about new delivery times. And all of this happens within seconds. No meetings. No managers. No waiting for approval chains. Just thousands of tiny decisions happening simultaneously. This changed everything. Before Micro-AIs, human teams often reacted to problems after damage was already done. But now the system could predict and prevent issues before they escalated. That alone saved massive amounts of money. But the biggest breakthrough came from something unexpected. The Micro-AIs started discovering patterns humans had completely missed. One AI noticed that deliveries in certain neighborhoods consistently slowed down at specific hours because of local school traffic. Another found that certain warehouse layouts caused employees to walk unnecessary extra distances every day. Another discovered that partially loaded trucks were creating hidden fuel inefficiencies that looked insignificant individually but became enormous at scale. Humans had access to all this data before. But no human team could process millions of tiny operational details simultaneously in real time. The Micro-AIs could. And once the system began learning continuously, the improvements started compounding rapidly. Fuel costs dropped. Delivery accuracy improved. Customer satisfaction increased. Warehouse waste decreased. Operational speed accelerated. Within months, the company wasn't just recovering losses anymore. It was outperforming competitors. And the most shocking part? Many of these Micro-AIs were incredibly small compared to giant modern AI models. Some weren't writing essays. Some weren't generating images. Some weren't even conversational. They were simple, focused, specialized. And that specialization became their superpower. This represents a massive shift happening across the business world right now. For years, the tech industry obsessed over building bigger and bigger AI models. Bigger datasets. Bigger computing power. Bigger neural networks. But now many experts are realizing something important. Sometimes intelligence scales better sideways than upward. Instead of one gigantic AI trying to do everything poorly, thousands of smaller AIs can each do one thing brilliantly. It's similar to how modern companies operate. A successful company doesn't usually rely on one employee doing every single job. It has specialists, accountants, designers, engineers, marketers, managers. Each person handles a focused role. Micro-AIs follow the same philosophy. And because they're specialized, they're often faster, cheaper, and more energy efficient than giant AI systems. That matters more than you might think. Because training and operating huge AI models costs enormous amounts of money and electricity. Some advanced AI systems require millions of dollars in computing resources alone. But smaller Micro-AIs can often run locally, cheaply, and with much lower energy usage. For businesses, that's incredibly attractive. And now this idea is spreading far beyond shipping companies. Hospitals are experimenting with Micro-AIs that each monitor different aspects of patient care. Banks are using them to detect fraud patterns in real time. Factories are deploying AI networks to predict machine failures before breakdowns happen. Retail companies are using Micro-AIs to track customer behavior, inventory demand, and pricing strategies simultaneously. Even smart cities are beginning to explore systems where thousands of Micro-AIs manage traffic lights, energy consumption, emergency services, and public transportation all at once. We're moving toward a world where invisible AI ecosystems quietly coordinate the background of everyday life. And most people won't even notice it happening. But there's also a deeper question emerging from all of this. If thousands of tiny AIs can outperform giant human-managed systems, what happens to traditional business structures? What happens to middle management? What happens to decision-making? And what happens when these AI networks become so efficient that humans can no longer fully understand how every decision is being made? Because that's where this story becomes both exciting and a little unsettling. Now here's where things take a dramatic turn. Because once companies realized Micro-AIs could solve operational problems, they started asking a much bigger question. What if an entire business could eventually run like a living digital organism? Not controlled by one central AI, but coordinated by thousands of interconnected intelligence agents constantly communicating with each other. And surprisingly, that future may be much closer than people think. After the logistics company successfully saved millions through Micro-AIs, executives noticed something unusual. The system wasn't just reacting faster. It was evolving. Over time, the Micro-AIs began adapting to patterns humans hadn't even defined in advance. For example, during holiday shopping seasons, customer demand suddenly changed faster than expected. Normally, companies would need emergency meetings, revised forecasts, staffing changes, and updated delivery plans. That process could take days. But the Micro-AI network adjusted within hours. Inventory eyes detected unusual spikes in product movement. Supply chain eyes redirected stock between warehouses. Pricing eyes adjusted discounts dynamically. Route eyes predicted delivery congestion before it happened. Customer service eyes prepared automated updates in anticipation of delays. It was almost like watching a digital nervous system responding instantly to external pressure. And that's when executives realized something profound. The true power of Micro-AIs wasn't automation. It was coordination. That difference is massive. Traditional automation follows fixed instructions. But coordinated AI ecosystems behave more like living systems, constantly sensing, adapting, and optimizing in real time. And this changes the economics of business entirely. Think about how expensive inefficiency is in large corporations. Meetings. Approval chains. Communication gaps. Delayed decisions. Departments operating in isolation. Human error. Slow reactions to changing markets. Now imagine replacing large portions of those delays with thousands of specialized eyes making micro-decisions every second. Suddenly, businesses become dramatically faster. And in highly competitive industries, speed is everything. A company that reacts one day faster than competitors can dominate markets. A factory that predicts failures before machines break can save millions. A bank that detects fraud seconds earlier can prevent catastrophic losses. A hospital that identifies patient risks earlier can literally save lives. That's why many experts believe Micro-AIs could become one of the biggest technological shifts of this decade. But here's the twist nobody talks about enough. The more efficient these systems become, the less visible human decision-making becomes. And that creates a completely new challenge. Imagine a company using 10,000 interconnected eyes. One AI changes pricing. Another changes inventory movement. Another modifies advertising strategy. Another shifts delivery schedules. Another predicts customer behavior. Another controls energy usage. Now multiply those interactions across millions of daily decisions. Eventually, even the engineers who built the system may not fully understand every chain reaction happening inside it. This is sometimes called the black box coordination problem. The system works. It produces incredible results. But no single human fully comprehends the entire network anymore. And honestly, that's both fascinating and terrifying. Because businesses are starting to depend on systems operating at speeds and complexities beyond normal human oversight. In some industries, this is already happening. High-frequency trading firms on Wall Street use autonomous systems making split-second financial decisions faster than any human possibly could. Cybersecurity systems now use AI agents that constantly defend networks against attacks in real time. Some modern factories barely pause production because predictive AI systems detect problems before workers even notice them. The world is quietly entering an era where invisible machine coordination powers enormous parts of the economy. And most consumers never see it. You order a package online. It arrives the next day. Seems simple. But behind that single delivery may be thousands of AI interactions coordinating warehouses, weather predictions, traffic routing, fuel optimization, packaging systems, inventory forecasts, staffing allocation, and customer communication simultaneously. A hidden digital workforce operating non-stop. And this raises another huge question. Could micro-AIs eventually replace entire categories of jobs? The answer is complicated. Because unlike older automation systems that replaced repetitive factory work, micro-AIs are beginning to replace decision-based tasks. Scheduling, forecasting, monitoring, optimization, analysis, coordination. Tasks once handled by supervisors, analysts, planners, and managers. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean humans disappear from businesses. But it does mean human roles may fundamentally change. Instead of manually controlling operations, humans may increasingly supervise AI ecosystems. The worker of the future might not perform hundreds of tasks personally. Instead, they may manage networks of intelligent systems doing those tasks automatically. And honestly, we're already seeing early versions of this today. One person with AI tools can now accomplish work that previously required entire teams. A small startup using advanced AI systems can compete against much larger companies. A creator with AI editing tools can produce content faster than professional studios from just a few years ago. The balance of power is shifting rapidly. And micro-AIs accelerate this trend even further. But there's an even bigger implication. What happens when micro-AIs begin coordinating with other AI ecosystems across industries? Imagine supply chain AIs communicating directly with manufacturing AIs. Imagine hospital AIs interacting with pharmaceutical AIs. Imagine city traffic AIs coordinating with autonomous vehicle networks. Now you no longer have isolated businesses using AI. You have interconnected intelligence infrastructures operating across society itself. At that point, AI stops being just a tool. It becomes part of the environment. Almost like electricity or the internet, something embedded invisibly into everyday life. And once that happens, turning it off becomes nearly impossible. Because entire economies may eventually depend on it. Now, to be clear, this future isn't guaranteed to be dystopian. Micro-AIs could bring enormous benefits. Lower costs. Faster healthcare. Reduced waste. Smarter transportation. Safer infrastructure. More efficient energy usage. Businesses that once struggled with chaos and inefficiency could become dramatically more sustainable and productive. But as with every powerful technology in history, the real challenge isn't just capability. It's control. Who owns these AI ecosystems? Who monitors them? Who decides their priorities? And how do we ensure humans remain meaningfully involved when machines begin coordinating the world at scales we can barely track? Because the million-dollar business problem solved by 1,000 micro-AIs may only be the beginning. What starts with logistics and warehouses today could eventually reshape governments, economies, cities, and everyday human life tomorrow. And the strangest part? Most people still think AI is only about chatbots. But the real revolution may be happening quietly in the background, through millions of invisible micro-decisions made every second by tiny specialized intelligences working together. Not one giant AI brain, but digital swarms. And whether that future becomes humanity's greatest advantage, or its biggest dependency, may depend on the choices we make right now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the future of AI, technology, business, and the hidden systems shaping our world. Because the next technological revolution may already be happening around you, silently.